Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make Brazilian cheese puffs. So I've pre-programmed it on Cookie Dough. Brazilian cheese puffs, we're going to start cooking. Preheat the oven to 220 or as high as it can go. I've greased my muffin pan already. And now we're going to do the cheese. You can use Gouvet cheese or you can use Parmesan or Tasty cheese. Today I'm just going to put some Tasty cheese in. So I've pre-weighed that slightly more, that's okay. I'm going to insert the measuring cup and then grate that up for 10 seconds on speed 9. Now we're going to add 160 grams of full cream milk, just stirring my scales. Slightly over, that's all right. 60 grams of oil, I use olive oil. Then next, 1 egg. And 170 grams of arrowroot flour. Tapioca flour is the same as arrowroot. And a spoon of salt. Now we're going to mix that all up. 20 seconds at speed 8. Next, just scraping down the sides. And I like to add whatever's on the lid as well, just so it can mix in nicely. We're going to mix that up again for another 5 seconds. Now to pop it in our muffin tin and bake them. You can pour that in your muffin tray. This rose gold trays don't need greasing because they come out perfectly every time. Ooh. Look how nicely they've puffed up.